Well, it's May 31st, and going out to grab a couple caches, target some plush birds. Already got 4. Actually started videotaping this back in October with the first 2, and then the other 2 I think were both Geo challenges of the month, so they were on their own videos. So they could be pretty much any cache. They have to have the scenic view icon on it. So let's do a little time warp back to October, and we'll see what the first 2 I picked up, and then we'll come back to today for a couple at next on Geocaching with Simrebel. Well, we're starting a new series of treasures, the plushy birds. So you need the scenic view, any size cache, at least one favorite point. So we're at that next on Geocaching with Simrebel. So we're at a monument for a couple of explorers that searched around Lake Erie in the past. Francis Dollier, priest of the... And this is actually part of a virtual cache that I already got. We need to find the cache. The hint says cache is at posted. And, ooh, look what we found. A bison. Again, log is in the bottom, not at the top, so we gotta fish it out. Alright, you can see the signature in there. Log is pretty wet, but it is right in rain paper, so we're able to sign it. Alright, this is the scenic view down Port Dover. Can't see the water because of the trees. That cache was good for the first bird, Hyro, the Herfitch. Okay, we're at the beginning of a little trail track here. We're looking for a small container for another plushy birds. And the hint was to look low. Well, there's a boot scratcher. Trail might be muddy, so let's look around. All right, I went too far for the cache and had to backtrack. Small container, signed in, and it has a dime in it. All right, so that geocache was good for Roger the Robin. So 2 down on the birds and quite a few more to go. That's it for today. So we'll pick this up another day, probably next weekend. All right, back to May 2026, May 31st. First one we're going after is it's just down the trail here, the Waterford Heritage Trail. It's like it's 398 feet from the truck. And I've done this trail a couple times. Keep getting the caches swapped out, which replenishes the board, which is nice. We don't have to go so far to find a cache. Cache says it's 36 feet through this. And what am I? I'm wearing shorts. Hopefully there's no ticks or thorny things. All right, got to the tree. Not too much problem. And oh yeah, this is one of the duck series. So we have a duck in a tree. All right, all signed in. Let's put our back in here and get on to the next one. Alright, so there's your scenic view. That was good for Santa the Showbird? Showbird? You can read it on the side. So let's go find another one. A couple of bikes come rolling by. So you've just seen a video that shows ticks use static electricity to jump to your body as you're walking by. So you don't have to touch the plant, you just have to be close by to like a foot where they can zap over to you. Use static electricity. Interesting. So if you wear non-static clothes, you're probably safe unless you brush up against a branch with a tick on it. Alright, same trail, just one road over, so I drove instead of doing the long walk. And this one is 0.21 of a mile to the cache. I think I've been to this one before. I think I videotaped this one and couldn't find it. So hopefully we find it this time. It's been found a couple times since I was last here. The last time I was on this trail, though, I had the bike. So I was biking, so it took a little less time to get there. Should have brought the bike today. Just hit 500 feet. Closing in on the cache. Guess your scenic view would be farmland and trees. I think there's a little creek that runs along here as well. So hopefully we don't have to get wet. Nice old farmhouse there. Looks like a barn. Big ditches on both sides here. This is a former railroad. Here the bike's coming. Get off the trail. And we got robin up here. Lots of robins. Tweet, tweet. 2 robins. Alright. Just under 100 feet. We have your name here. You could sponsor the trail. We have a moccasin. First Ontario Credit Union. Not sponsored. Still big ditches here. I don't think the terrain rating's very high. Maybe a 2. Let's see. Right where that sun is. Overshot it. It's actually 26 feet here. I don't know if it's in that tree stump right there. Bit of a stump here. Looking for leaves of 3 so I can let them be. Might be fun getting down here. Check this stump out. Nothing there. There's that stump down here as well. And a stump on the ground. Lots of places. I think the old one used to be farther back. Better get the GPS out. I was way off. I was still 100 feet. So I trumped through here. Lots of thorny things. Trying to step on them as I go through. Come over to the creek. Read the hint. It said viney. There's some vinies here. And I do see a duck here hanging on the tree. Alright, all signed in. I guess this is your scenic view. We've got a little creek running here. I'm leaned over trying to get the cap back on. Almost dropped it down here. I don't think I might have been able to find it if I did. Now to get out of this mess. Back to the trail up there. Can't really see where I came through here. A little bit of a geo trail, not much. And this is a dried up creek bed. I still got to make it back up this hill. I think it's less steep over here. Well, I made it back to the trail. Legs are a little scratched up. That was a terrain 3, and that was good for Cleo the Cardinal. So that might be it for today. It might be the end of this video. I might do this in like 3 videos, but if there's more, we'll continue. If not, cache you later. Cache you on the trails.